So what we do here at Johnson Brass and Machine, we're a full service machine shop. Anything from machining your raw castings to providing final finished machine parts for you. Our machine capabilities include turning centers, machining centers, 4-axis lathes, 5-axis machining centers, down to simple things as manual turret lathes and manual vertical turning centers. We can manufacture anything as far as rough machine parts up to half a thou tolerance, ranging all the way up to 20,000 pounds. We have the ability to reach 60 plus inches in length on parts, along with going 95 inches in diameter. We currently have, I believe it to be one of the largest 5-axis CNC machines in the state of Wisconsin, which gives us a lot of capabilities that other suppliers may not be able to have. We're capable on that machine of doing, I believe, 75 inches in diameter with a range of 70 inches in height with full 5-axis capabilities. We develop our castings in a 3D system using Siemens NX software, and we develop everything model-based from start to finish. We model all of our castings, we model in then every process from there to the finished product. We use the same software to be able to do all of our programming for our CNC machines. So we have the capabilities to be able to do the most complex parts down to simple ID/OD lengths. Us being able to provide in-house machining services allows us to be able to reclaim and reuse all the chip loss from our castings during the manufacturing process. This also allows us to be able to track and trace and control the chemistry of the materials for us to be able to reuse them in our foundry. It eliminates a lot of the needing to purchase material or waiting for third-party outside sources, because we're able to reclaim everything that we're manufacturing in the process. With everything being in one location, we can go from as cast to rough machining a part all the way through finished manufacturing of it, QA and inspection all in one facility, which greatly helps shorten delivery times for any of our customers.